on, everyone? We got a 2021 Hyundai Elantra key fob here. I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. Okay, so flip it over and we're going to remove the emergency key by sliding the switch to the right, holding it down with our thumb. You can pull out the emergency key. Okay, now we're going to turn it over like this, and we're going to split the remote open, and you're going to use a flathead screwdriver to do that. Okay, you can see the seam that we have here in the middle. That's where we're going to split it open at. Okay, so what you're going to do is put your flathead screwdriver in a slot that's below where the emergency key went in. Okay, you can put it in here like this. It doesn't go in very far, and just turn the screwdriver and it cracks it open without doing any damage to the remote. You can just go around and pop it open the rest of the way. Okay, and you're going to want to do this with the buttons facing the ground, okay, so you don't lose this, so it doesn't fall out. But the battery is located in the back half of the remote. And you get your screwdriver, you can just pull it out just like that, and I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032 battery. The positive sign right there, it's facing down on the remote like that, and it snaps in. Got to put it against these contacts back here at the bottom. If you need a remote battery, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you get the right size battery for this remote. Get the two halves, start at the top and work your way down and just push it together, and emergency key goes back in and locks in. You have successfully changed the battery in your Elantra remote. Hope the video was quick and straightforward, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.